So in this video I will tell you how you can download CapCut app for video editing on a Mac. In some countries the CapCut is not available, so we will download the CapCut from the link that I give you in description from the DMG. So download it and click to open it. Then it will be open and this interface will appear. You have to click on CapCut downloader so that your CapCut will be downloaded. Now you will click on open. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to completely install CapCut, so wait for it, and I am fast forwarding video for you. Now the CapCut is downloaded, we will open it. You can see that it is opening. At the first time it will take time as it is a newly installed application. And you can see that the CapCut is opened and it's working wonderfully. So thanks for watching, and if you want some more other videos like this, so press the subscribe button and like this video, and also share this video to your friends who want to download CapCut for video editing on Mac. Thanks for watching.